up guys? Welcome to my new video. This is the E36 I was talking about the entire time. It's been sitting here for like 3 months now. Today's finally the day. We take it to the shop. The homie's on the way here with the tow truck. He's gonna help us move it. And guys, did you ever have a day where a bird took a shit on your car and really pissed you off? Check this out.
This guy laid a big little dump in there.
This bird's be having tacos, guys.
Oh yeah, the taco stand right there.
Taco Tuesdays, and the birds unloaded everything on my car. So we're gonna go ahead and wash this before we take it to the shop. So let's get it going, guys. All right, so I'm gonna briefly go over what's wrong with the car, but before we do that, let's run it back. Come on. Today's the day we pick up the E36. I just need some coffee first. No way he's gonna take that from me? Always traffic in LA. Nothing surprising, but we're almost there though. Alright, so you guys can see this car is not in the worst shape, but it's still, you know, a little roughed up. It's gonna need some love. The nose panel broken. Bumper is okay. One of the fog is missing, but I'm probably gonna change the bumper anyway, so that's fine. Headlight moving around. You can already see the car is dirty. One of the biggest reasons I got it is because of the interior. Because most of the E36s you see now are beat up or the interior is pretty bad, but this one's in good condition. Black on black, my favorite combo. The only issue is that it's an automatic and it's broken. This is why I'm gonna do the swap. This is probably the best chance to do it. And all that is broken, but those are minor. I can fix all that. Leather is good. It's just a little dried up here from the sun. Missing a door seal on the other side. Windows don't come up. I think only one window works. And the best thing, the top is manual. And this is exactly what I needed because I don't want the motor to break on me, because usually those motors get pretty expensive. So let's clean this thing up and get the show on the road. Alright guys, so the battery's dead and the transmission doesn't work, so we'd have to push it either way. So we're gonna push it to the other side and watch this car real quick.
You just gotta push it in order for it to like catch on to the gear.
Oh, you like really press on it?
Oh, you gotta have the gas floor down and then push it, and then that shit just catches onto it.
Look at this nice guy. He wants to help us. Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
That's his bike right there. It's a Kawasaki?
Yeah.
850 cc's?
650.
650? That's a lot for that little bike.
I need more. I need 1,000.
1,000? Here it is, guys. Just pushed it to the other side. Like, look at all that water. Missing the antenna. Not sure if I care about that. Like I said, the windows don't go up and down. This is the only door handle that works. The other side only works from the inside and not from the outside. Missing the little trim here. I'm gonna have to find that.
Part out, guys.
So yeah, let's start washing it. Here comes Jesse with the baller truck. Going. Wow, nice truck.
Thank you. You like it?
Yeah. Man. Damn, the birds are having a party on my car, right? On your potty party.
I want to help you, but on the second round, bro.
Just this side left. I'm almost halfway done. Looks way better. Can't wait till I'm done. I actually don't have anyone to hold the camera, so I can even make a cool montage. A lot of things I haven't seen before coming up. Looks like someone taped this down or something. Like even here, all around.
Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Once you shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound?
Nice driving by Jesse. Jesse,
What's up, bro?
how do you feel looking at your 550 after so long?
Pretty excited.
Sitting nicely. Check it, guys. We're here. 335s, 328s. We are at no limit.
Hey, what's happening?
Hey, how are you?
How's it going, man?
Good. Check this out. That looks like an N54, right?
It is.
It's an N54, single turbo, precision, single turbo set. Typical of me, guys. I literally forgot to bring the key. We had to shift the car to neutral and just push it down straight. Some guess I'll be coming back to drop the key off.
Huh?
I put mine yesterday and I broke it here with the wall.
Hi, Pop.
No.
Bro, it was $40, but that shit saved my ass. Of course.
And we are back to drop all the keys. Back to no limit. Finally, I'm home. That was a long drive. I think I've driven a total of 300 miles today. But I'm home. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.